Hey guys, welcome to Creative Soft, and this is sort of my review of the Huawei Health app, guys. And let me just show you the stats over here. And these are the stats. How you can see my sleep is around 8 hours and stuff like this. Let me tell you in depth of each and everything. So let me scroll down over here and tell you this is the workout which typical I have done yesterday. It is around 4.29 kilometers, guys, and with this the tracking is quite good, guys. I'm using the on a band 5 with me over here, and the tracking is good. It is almost if not sort of better, then it is almost in par with the Apple Watch, and this kind of stats you can expect from the Huawei Health app. One of the key points which I like is the heart rate, guys. After every 5 minutes it keeps a track of the heart rate. So this Huawei or Honor Band 5 does sort of continuous tracking of your heart rate, which I really like after every 5 minutes. So let me just show you some other stats. Like let me just show you the sleep. So today I slept for around 8 hours 5 minutes, and you can see it also shows you the light sleep and the deep sleep and stuff like this, guys. So which is very useful. I mean, I used to track it previously using my Apple Health, but then this gives you the complete overview. That is, the deep sleep is around 1 hour 57 minutes and light sleep is around 6 hour 8 minutes, guys. And this is the kind of in-depth comparison which I really wanted. And let me just show you some other aspects also. So if you are new to this channel, guys, I recommend you to subscribe, because I have much more kind of videos. Also over here, the SpO2 sensor, let me just brief you. So it initially in the morning at around 12 it was showing 97%, and now it is around 2:30 p.m. it is showing me 88, which is not so accurate in my opinion. At least you should wear it on your fingers, I guess. So let me just open the other app by default, which is the Apple Health. And so this is the stats which I've received. If you see, compare it previously with the watch, the steps actually, I don't know, there is a hit or a miss with this. So it is actually showing me something like 3500 or 3400, but you can see over here the band have recorded around 5513 steps, guys. So I feel sometimes the synchronization issue is there between these two. I mean, it should also show you the same amount of steps. So don't buy it only because of the accurate steps counting, because Apple Watch is somewhat better in this department, guys. So this watch, the Honor Band 5, with this particular tiny little thing, comes with a super AMOLED screen. It costs you around rupees 2199, so around 2200 Indian rupees, guys. Let me just change the display, the screen time of it. So in the meantime, guys, if you like this particular video or this kind of comparison video and in-depth video, please consider subscribing, and also hit the like button, which helps a lot, guys. So let me just show you some other stats over here. Sorry, I'm having some trouble with my camera, so which I'll be changing soon. Please also suggest me which camera should I buy for YouTube. Also, presently I'm shooting this with the K20 Pro, and you can see the background is going blur, and I really like those lights, guys. It is Christmas over here still. Okay, let me just show you on the sleep tracking app. I mean, the band, it is showing 5513. Let me just see the other stats, like the sleep is also properly showing, but I think there is some issue with the Apple Health app, guys. So let me know if you also have similar experiences. I mean, do you use an Apple Watch or the fitness band, that Honor Band 5? So I charge this around like 100% in the morning, and the battery is like around 60% down. So also I have updated this. Let me show you some other stats. So this is the settings what I've been using. So I won't go in depth, guys, with regard with this. And there is this continuous heart tracking, okay, which I have enabled, and I have set it to this particular mode called as smart. Okay. Now what it does, it is also checks it, but you still get a slightly better battery life with this. I recommend using the smart mode. And let me show you some other stats also. So this is how I have done it. So these are the other settings what I had used. So this is I'm not able to get the location. So if you like this particular video, guys, please hit the like button, and thanks for being a subscriber for so long. And see you in my next video. And basically this is the Apple Maps link. Thanks, guys.